Hello guys. I just bought a new tools from Impact Distribution. I ordered the Milwaukee M18 fuel circular saw 2 only, and also the battery charger, rapid charger. So separately, I ordered them and they come to about 280 plus tax 314. I just received this today. I received this box, so it came with the circular saw, a battery, 9.0 amp battery, 9.0 amp hour battery, and a charger, rapid charger. Wow, I'm shocked. Like, what's going on? So this I looked online because I was looking through the online before I decided to purchase whatever I asked for. The tool and the charger separately because I wanted 2 smaller batteries. But this thing itself, this kit, would cost about $399. So I pay about $290, but they gave me a kit that's worth $399. I'm shocked. So that's from a company called Impact Distribution. Okay, so let's open it up. Hopefully everything's inside. Okay, so it is let's see, M18 fuel, 7.25-inch circular saw, 9.0 amp hour battery, rapid charger. Okay, let's see what's the inside this side. Okay, so hopefully I am getting what I pay for, or at least I'm getting that upgrade. They give me a free upgrade into the whole kit. So if they didn't give me the upgrade, it will be just the circular saw plus the charger, which I asked for, because I already also ordered 2 5.0 amp hour batteries separately, because I want small batteries, which is a little bit lighter instead of 9.0 amp hours, which I really didn't. I did ask for. It would be nice, but it gets too heavy if it's for for other tools. Like for circular saw, it probably would be good, but I'm ordering the batteries for other things too. So let's see. Come on, baby. Let's see. So box is empty now. Alrighty, let's see. M18 fuel. Okay, so circular saw. I see it. I know what's going on now. It was too good to be true. Okay, so circular saw is brand new. Looks brand new. Okay, so it doesn't come with blades. Well, I don't think it comes with blades. I have to check the rest of the box. So M18 fuel, brushless. Okay, saw looks brand new. So I see exactly what's going on here. Alrighty, there we go. There's a charger. It's a rapid charger, circular saw, instruction, and then Milwaukee contest code. Not the booklet. So it's missing the battery. I see what they did. exactly what they did. So the original kit that this whole kit came with is the circular saw, battery, and the rapid charger. So I pay for circular saw and rapid charger separately. Together comes to about $290 plus tax, come to $314.60. Right. So they just take this kit that has everything and remove the battery. Ha 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 ha. Smart. So they tricked me there. For a minute there, I was so happy I got a free upgrade of getting a battery, which is worth like $100 or something like that. Yeah, $100, $150. I have to look it up, but I think it's probably worth about $100. Yeah, it says two value and starter kit value, total about $470 or something. Yeah, so well, I was happy for nothing. But anyway, I got what I initially asked for, which is still good. So now I got my charger and my tool. I could charge up my batteries that I got separately. Okay, so Milwaukee rapid charger looks brand new. So that was the company for Impact Distribution. So instead of them selling me two separate tools because two separate packagings because I asked for charger and the circular saw separately, they just send me this box and just remove the battery and sell it. Well, they're probably gonna sell it to somebody else. Well, at least I didn't ask for 9.0 amp hour battery anyway. I got my two 5.0 amp hour batteries, so I'm good. I'll just charge them up and go test out the tools. So Milwaukee cordless fuel. I have to put in the blade. Alrighty. It's so good. No loss. They had me going for a while, huh? Impact distribution. Oh, now I hate you guys. You're good. You're good. Thank you. Here's a pretty quick delivery. Oh, there's something I missed. There was this little packaging inside the box. Well, it's the blade. So it does come with one blade, 24 teeth, framing blade, 24. Alrighty. So it does come with one blade. I was looking at this also. There's the slot for the whip guide. Has the knob to tighten the whip guide, but there's no guide. There's no whip guide. At least I don't find it. Really? How did I miss it? Or it doesn't come with one? Yeah, it doesn't look like it comes with one. So it has the ability to use whip guide, but has no whip guide. That's I don't know how that's work. There's nothing else inside. The picture doesn't tell me much. Doesn't look like there's any whip guide that came with it. Oh well. Maybe I have to use my own whip guide, huh? Okay. Well, at least I came with a blade. I guess that would be usable. Even though I have like a 20 pack of these things. But that's fine.